Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Saturday, June 28, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Luke chapter 2, verses 41 to 51. Today, we celebrate the Immaculate Heart of the Blessed Virgin Mary. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 51. And he went down with them and came to Nazareth and was submissive to them, and his mother treasured up all these things in her heart. Siya umuwing kasama nila sa Nazareth at naging isang masunuring anak. Ang lahat ng bagay na ito ay iningatan ng kanyang ina sa kanyang puso. The Gospel of the Lord. Our message, the Immaculate Heart of Virgin Mary, ang kalinis-lisang puso ng Birheng Maria. First, she offered herself to God's plan for the salvation of mankind through Jesus. Inialay niya ang kanyang sarili sa plano ng Diyos para sa kaligtasan ng sangkatauhan sa pamamagitan ni Jesus. Second, she recognized Jesus as Lord and Savior since she received a message from God, the Father, through the angel Gabriel. Kinilala niya si Jesus bilang Panginoon at tagapagligtas mula nang makatanggap siya ng mensahe mula sa Diyos Ama sa pamamagitan ng Anghel Gabriel. And third, she sacrificed and generously provided a way to serve Jesus for the glory of God the Father. Siya ay nagsakripisyo at bukas palad na naglaan ng paraan upang paglingkuran si Jesus para sa kaluluwalhati ng Diyos Ama. Good morning and God bless us all.